god, don't fail. Wow guys, the chocolate is crazy.
땡쿨이야.
Hi guys, good morning. Today's day 4 and we're going to Nara. Outfit check. This top is from Taobao. These pants are from Taobao. Air Force. Me too, Bianca.
Taobao, GU, Air Force.
Guys, we're matching. Okay, let's go. Have you ever experienced rush hour in Japan? Shaved ice in 10-degree weather. Can you believe it? So Bianca. Guys, sadly the sakura hasn't bloomed yet and we came for nothing. But if it did bloom, it would be so pretty. 7-Eleven. Yeah. Oh my god, don't fail. Anyways guys, we bought Umo X salad sandwich. Guys, it's actually really good. I wasn't expecting it to be this good.
What the hell?
Guys, we found it.
Oh my god.
Look at them, they're so cute. Oh. Guys, there's so many. Bianca's too scared, so I'm gonna go buy it myself. Guys, I got some. I'm hiding them though. Look at this. Look at the amount.
No, they should put right here.
Brother. Brother, I'm mine.
Oh my god, vuol dire ta cordico, tong material. Não, tu não vês pra aqui. Don't you dare, meu. Oh my god. Você não vem cá. Ele vai te seguir. Don't you dare. Hell no. Oh, hell no.
Eu fitei tudo e depois eu só tinha o papel left e depois o Dirk continuou a seguir-me e depois eu tava like, this is paper e depois o Dirk do nada fez gonna bite e depois comeu o paper. Wow guys, the chocolate is crazy.
땡쿨이야. Isto é red.
We found more.
Fly, bitch, fly.
Nicht oh. É bom?
É bom, bom. não filmaram comer.
Só a boca. What the... Guys, we fell asleep in the train and got off the train, and now we're in the wrong station. Bianca, and there's coins.
Oh, there's coins.
Amazing.
Oh, that's like you.
Whoa! Oh no!
Oh my god.
Guys, guess where we are? We're gonna eat some okonomiyaki. Yeah.
はい、お待たせしました。青のりかつお節もおかけします。じゃあどうぞお待たせしました。
Oh my god. Oh my god, yes. Yeah, girl, I think it's...
But still like big, brother.
Oh my god. Oh yes. Guys, we're spinning. Oh. Oh, pensaba que era tipo...
Mujeres por hablar libre, what the heck?
Boring. This is the top, but like, what? What can you see? There's nothing. It's just buildings. Lico man. It's a more assist. So autistic. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey guys, I didn't want to mention it, but there was a guy beside me right here shaming My Hero Academia.
No, shut up. Okay?
Yeah. Bruh. Guys, we just bought like the whole grocery. That's our midnight snack. Well, it's like our after dinner. Guys, DIY midnight snack. I got the cheese in there. I got the potato salad. I got the salmon. Jaga's got her udon. Let's go. Jaga's got some rice and some kimchi stew.
I said picantly.
Guys, look at my how do you call it? Is it yakisoba? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. What kind of convenience store food looks like this? Boy. Hi guys, this is day 4 of our Japan trip. In this part of the video, I'll be talking less compared to others because on the day it was already raining a lot and it was our first time going to Arashiyama, so we were already struggling to find a way there. So when we got to Arashiyama station, we found this donut store and they sold like creme brulee flavor and matcha flavor, and we got both. And funny story, I was eating the matcha one and it had powder on top, and then I like breathed in the powder and I coughed on like 3 I got on 3 girls wearing kimonos, so if they ever come across this video, I'm so sorry. Okay, bye. Oh my god, where's my bubble? Por que não tá funcionando bem? Já tem mais cor. As you guys can see here, it was raining a lot. We were struggling crossing this bridge. Bianca's umbrella even flipped. It was so embarrassing, I swear. But then it suddenly stopped raining and it was low-key sunny too. So for the rest of the day, we just enjoyed the peaceful nature. And it was actually like one of my favorite days because it was so pretty. I recommend it to everyone. Even though you have to hike up the mountain to like reach the bamboo forest, it was really nice because the weather turned out to be really nice in the end. Why are we hiking up? I don't know. Why are we?
Ai, eu também não sei. Nem é mal, por acaso.
É, são my legs. Tem outra aqui. Epic fail. Guys, guess where we're going? That'd be a good awkward. First time trying crew. Guys, we're so dumb. Our table was ready so long ago. We were just waiting for nothing. Guys, don't be shy. Guys, don't be shy. Oh my god. Guys, it's so autistic. Like. Okay, so oh god. Oh, it's not. Eileen. Oh god. Guys,
Look at your coat.
Cute.
Oh my god. Honestly, não tá mal.
Hi guys, please like and subscribe.